So living in Tokyo, I've learned two things. One, I don't know how to walk in a train station. And two, space is very limited. If I want to do homework, I have to do it on the floor with my laptop on the bed like I am now. And I'm tired of it, so I had an idea. What if I made a desk? But what if I did it without actually constructing anything? Instead, what if I just laid it out easily? So, this is my thought. By doing a quick search online, I found that there's this place called Hands Shibuya. It's kind of a home improvement store. It's a little bit of everything. When I was looking at the photos, it kind of looked like a Walmart or a Target of that sort, but it has everything, including wood. The only problem is it's in Shibuya, and I'm all the way down in Bunkyo. That's crazy. Ooh, 120. Oh, dude, that's perfect. Look at this fucking thing. It's crazy. So I found this chair.
Arriving at Omotesando, seat.
So I haven't had a lot of time to speak to my family or friends from back home, but I'm sure if I did, they would ask me, how do you like Japan so far? And I'd say, I love it, it's great. But there's a few things that I miss. One, I miss having a car. Having a car is like, it's one of the greatest luxuries out there because it's gonna take me half an hour just to leave. Okay, well, for something that I thought would take an hour, that was 2.5 hours. And I don't even know if it's gonna work. Let's find out. Let's see if it fits. Well, that's how I made a desk. I mean, if you could call it that. 2 pieces of luggage, some wood. Works well. I like it. If you like the video, subscribe, follow, I don't know, whatever they say. Okay, see ya.